Uniting for success, the power of Together We Stand. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that holds a lot of meaning and power. Together we stand. This phrase is not just about words. It's about unity, strength, and the incredible things we can achieve when we come together. So, let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and understand why it's so impactful. The phrase, "Together we stand," is a powerful expression of unity and solidarity. At its core, it means that by uniting and supporting each other, we can overcome challenges much more effectively than we could alone. It's a call to put aside differences and work together towards a common goal, emphasizing the strength found in unity. "Together we stand" has been used in various historical contexts, often during times of difficulty or challenge, such as wars, protests, or movements for social change. It serves as a rallying cry, reminding people that their collective effort, unity, and solidarity are their greatest assets against adversity. This phrase inspires hope and encourages individuals to stand together in support of a cause or against a common enemy. For English language learners, understanding phrases like "Together we stand" is crucial not just for their linguistic value but also for their cultural and emotional resonance. These phrases enrich communication and help learners connect with English-speaking communities on a deeper level. They're not just learning a language. They're learning to express solidarity, empathy, and unity. In conclusion, "Together we stand" is much more than a phrase. It's a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the incredible achievements we can reach when we stand united. As we continue on our language learning journey, let's remember the power of unity and the strength we find in each other. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. See you in our next video.